It's finally here. Let's open the brand new Silver Series 8G. Introducing Silver Series 8G. More refined, more considered, and more optimized than ever before. Every detail has been carefully evolved, with each element working in harmony to deliver exceptional total system performance. We're going to start by unboxing the brand new Silver 58G. So the Silver 58G is our new two-way compact bookshelf speaker. It's available in three colors, which is the satin white, the gloss black, and the walnut. So inside the box, you get your documents and accessories envelope. So this has your quick start guide, your safety instructions, and other accessories inside there. Plus you get a pair of foam bungs. So if you're placing your speaker close to a wall, you can put these into the portholes and this will prevent bass boom. And here we go, here is the new Silver 58G. Next up is the Silver 100 bookshelf speakers. Now, these are a three-way design. So it's the first time we've done a three-way bookshelf speaker in the Silver Series range. Okay, let's grab a Silver 100 out of the box. There we go. And as you can see, the black gloss version also has an accompanying black C-cam drivers. This is the brand new Silver 300 8G. This is a three-way floor standard speaker. It features two 6-inch bass drivers and a 3-inch mid-range driver. Again, we get a documents and accessories folder. So this has the Allen keys inside to fix the feet onto the cabinet. You also get a pair of port bungs with each speaker. And you get 4 feet, so this is our new foot design, made specifically for Silver Series 8G. Right, to remove it from the box, just simply turn it over onto its top, and then pull the box off. Okay, so now we're just going to assemble the feet. So each foot has 2 bolts. And you just use the included Allen key just to secure the foot to the cabinet. So you also get 4 carpet spikes in the box. So if you're using on carpet, this just improves stability. Now we've attached our feet and our carpet spikes. So let's get the speaker onto its feet. So just tip it right side up. And there you go. There is the new Silver 300 8G. This is the Silver 500 8G, so this is the largest speaker in the Silver range. It's also a three-way speaker. So inside the box, you get your accessories and documents pack, like all the others, the port bungs, your screws, and your feet. So like the Silver 300, we just need to tip the box upside down to reveal the screw holes for the feet. So it's a bit heavier, this one, so you might need 2 people to help you tip the box over. So just like the Silver 300, we'll just tip it over to get it out of its polystyrene end cap. There we go. So this Silver 500 is in our brand new European walnut finish. The European walnut finish is a man-made wood veneer, which is a lot more sustainable than the wood veneers we've used in the past. So now we're making our way back down in size. We're going to look next at the Silver Center 8G, which replaces the old Silver 250 center channel. So in here, again, you'll get another accessories pack. but this is all you'll get in this box because there are no portholes. It's a sealed cabinet, so you don't get the port bungs. So the best way to take this out of the box is keeping the end cap on it, flipping the box over, and removing it from the top. This is also in the black gloss finish. And you'll see, again, we have the accompanying black RST3 CCAM bass drivers and mid-range driver on this one too. So we're continuing our AV speaker setup with our new Silver AMS 8G. So this is our up-firing Dolby Atmos speakers, and they're perfectly sized to sit on top of the Silver 300 models. You've also got the option to use them as surround speakers and mount them on the wall, so you get a drilling template included in the box. But if you mount them on the wall, they aren't Dolby Atmos certified. You also get your accessories pack in there. Here we go. So they come with the grille on already. You can use the product without the grille too. And this is in our European walnut finish. So last but not least, this is the new Silver On-Wall 8G. Now this replaces the Silver FX that was in our previous Silver range, and it follows on from our gold and our bronze on-wall speakers that you can use for surround speakers, or you can use in more of an integrated setup like a left, right, center channel around the TV. So again, you get your accessories and documents in the envelope. In here you get some square port bungs because the port holes on the bottom are rectangular. And let's tip this out of the box to get it out. Okay, and to attach to the wall, you also get a drilling template in the box. Here is the magnetic grille, so I'll just show you more about that after we take the product out of the packaging. So that's the Silver On-Wall 8G in the satin white finish. So a cool feature on the magnetic grille is that the logo is removable. So if you are gonna hang the on-wall speaker in a vertical orientation, you can have a logo like this, but you can move the logo to the horizontal plane like this. So if you're using it as a center channel, you can hang the speaker horizontally and keep the logo placed correctly. So that is the new Silver Series 8G. 7 models covering everything from hi-fi listening to immersive home cinema systems. To learn more about Silver Series 8G, visit monitoraudio.com.